In this video, I'll show you how to see what's trending on Bluesky. As you can see here, I am logged into Bluesky. All right. Now to see what's trending, you can just go ahead and go to the right pane. And so you can see here, you'll be able to see trending tab. Just go ahead and click on your favorite trending word. For example, Lakers right here. I'm going to click on it. All right. As you can see here, every trending post about Lakers will be shown in this particular section. All right. As you can see, just go ahead and scroll down to see what's available to this date. All right. You can just go ahead and select Oscars if you want to. And here, now, if you want to receive every trending post, just go ahead and click on feeds right here. All right. And as you can see here on your feeds, it will show discover, following, or the profiles that you follow will be on your feed. All right. As well as a video and popular with friends. Now, you can add more here in your feeds by just scrolling down. All right. If you want to see posts from users who are following you back, just click on add right here. And it will be added right here in your feed. When we go back to our home, you should be able to see it right here, all of their posts. All right, going back to feeds, just go ahead and scroll down right here and you'll be able to see a ton of profiles or pages. As you can see, if you want a game dev, just go ahead and click on add. Or if you want to know the latest news about Bluesky, just click on this one right here. And there's more. All right. That's basically how you see what's trending on Bluesky. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.